Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the HTML form. Basically, a form is an area that contain form element, and form element are elements that allow the user to enter the information like text field, text area, drop down menus, radio button, checkbox in a form. Uh, Actually, it provides a full range of GUI controls. Additionally, HTML form can automatically submit data collected in its controls to a web server. Uh, let's start with the form tag, and it has attributes as well. So we have to write the form tag in the body form, and it has an attribute form attribute action means uh, once you fill the data of a form, then when you enter the submit button, then the data will be submitted or redirected to the page which is nothing but a action page. Action means one dot, let's say php, so the data will be redirected to the form data will be redirected to the one dot php. Okay. Then method, there are two types of methods are there: get and post. Get method is not secure, means your data will be displayed on URL, and the post method is secure method in which the data will not be displayed on the URL. Okay, so you can take any one of it. Get method, just finish it, form close. Let's take a text. Mm, name input type equal to text, and name is equal to NAME. See, here the type is text, means the text box will be displayed in the output, and the name attribute. See, input is a tag, but type and name is an attribute, are the attributes of a input tag. Okay, so name attribute is used to store the value of that text field. So as and when you have to store the value of that field, you can use the attribute name. Okay, and you can use the value attribute to display the by default value in that field. Let's say name, enter name. Okay, let's finish it. Okay, let's check the output so that you can get some better idea. Let's save it with the lesson underscore 13. Okay, open it, code 13. See, here you can see name and enter name. Enter name is what? It's your value. So you can write any name. Okay, so in this way you have created a text field. Okay, the next attribute is a the next field is password. You can also insert the password, which is in a form of a bullet or in a asterisk. Okay, input type password, name psw, and close it. Save it. You can put br tag over here so that it will the password line will be start from the new line. Okay, this is the password. Here you can see the bullet, so no one can identify the password. The third field is the text area, means if you wish to add the address, then you can use the text area rows and calls means here you are yeah, you need more space bar. Okay, then text area close. Here you can see this particular area. Okay, we need to put br tag over here. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so you can increase this area with the help of this. Okay, in this way, and you can also reduce the size of it. Means if you put it 5, then it will reduce. You can also reduce this length to rows to 5 and this to 15. Then you can also modify it. Okay, the next field is the radio button. Gender, input type radio, name, gender, value, male. For this field the value is male, and input type radio, name, gender, value, female. Let's finish it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, there is some problem. BR. Okay, in text area, then BR. Okay, okay, we have to put the text before it, female. Okay, okay, so in this way you can select either male or a female. See, here you can select either of it. Why? Because we have put the same name in both the name attributes. If you will change the name field, then you can select both. See, let's take the male field name will be gender 1, and female field attribute name is gender. Then both are different, so that you can select both, but this might not be possible. Okay, so we need to put the same name for the gender so that you can select either of it. The next field is a checkbox. Like hobbies, cricket. Input type checkbox, name cricket, hockey, input type checkbox, checkbox, name hockey. Okay, spelling is hockey, volleyball, input type checkbox, name volleyball. Okay, let's check it. We need to put the BR here, BR. Let's check it. Okay, so here you can select multiple games, multiple hobbies. So in this way you can create the checkbox. The next one is a select. In select you can put the drop down menu like countries. Let's take one example. Country, select close. In select tag you have to mention the option India, option Australia, option USA, option UK. Okay, so here I have mentioned the for country name, and you can you need to put the BR at the end of this so that the country will start from the next line. Okay, so here you can select any country, UK, USA, or India, Australia. Okay, next field is a button field. You can create your own customized button with the help of this button tag. Input, type, button name, but, and value. Okay, put BR. See, here you have created OK button. Okay, in this way you can create number of buttons with the help of input type button. This is the input tag. Input tag have a type, name, and value as an attributes. Okay, if you wish to create the cancel button, then you need to just put name, let's say close. Okay, value close. So here I have created the close button. Whatever the value you have put in the value attribute, and that value will be displayed on the button. Okay, next field is submit button. Input type, submit, value, submit button. Okay, so here the submit button has its own functionality. As and when you submit the button, the data will be redirected to the 1.php file, and this might only happen when you press the submit button. In other button you cannot do this type of functions. Only the submit have this type of facility. Okay, let's check the output so that you can get some better idea. Okay, here the submit button. When I press it, then it will move to the 1.php. Okay, let's reset. Input type reset. Okay, reset. Let's put some value inside this box so that you can judge the function of it. See, we have filled the values, but when I press this reset button, that what happens, this data will be reset. See, okay, so in this way this function might be used. Then input type file. With the help of file you can upload the file. Okay, let's check. Br image. See, here you can choose the image with from your drive. Okay, so with the help of input type is equal to file, you can upload the file. So in this way we can create the form, and you can also use this type of fields. Means in it might happen that you does not require multiple types of these fields, but from whatever I have covered, you might require some of them, so you can use as per your requirement. So this is all about the form, and I hope you can get some uh, idea about the form and how you can create your own form. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much.